The 2025 Tomaso P72 is a stunning revival of a legendary brand, merging classic beauty with modern engineering in one of the most captivating automotive designs of the decade. This car is a pure expression of art, history, and high-performance mechanics wrapped in a carbon fiber body that pays homage to 1960s endurance racers. It's not just a car race, it's a sculptural tribute to a golden age of motoring, crafted for those who value driving as an emotional experience. The P72 is inspired by the original Tomaso P70, a prototype born from a collaboration between Alejandro de Tomaso and Carroll Shelby. That car never reached its full potential, but in 2025, the P72 fully realizes what could have been with breathtaking design, race-proven technology, and an unmistakable aura of rarity and exclusivity. Its design is what first takes your breath away. The fluid curves, extended tail, and classic proportions give the P72 a silhouette unlike any modern hypercar. Everything about its appearance evokes emotion. The body is handcrafted in carbon fiber, delivering both strength and visual elegance. It's a car that doesn't follow trends, it sets them. The rear features exposed mechanical elements, circular taillights, and an aggressive yet graceful diffuser that seamlessly integrates form and function. Aerodynamics are subtle but efficient, allowing the car to cut through the air while retaining a timeless aesthetic. At the heart of the P72 lies a 5.0-liter supercharged V8 engine built in partnership with Roush Performance, a name synonymous with raw American muscle. This engine delivers an estimated 700 horsepower to the rear wheels. But it's not just about numbers. The powertrain is tuned to provide thrilling, usable power throughout the rev range, paired to a 6-speed manual transmission, a deliberate decision to keep the driving experience pure and analog. The gated shifter, visible linkages, and mechanical clunks of each gear engage the driver like few cars in the world today. This is about connection to the road, the machine, and the moment. Step inside and you're greeted by a cabin that blurs the line between classic watchmaking and modern automotive craftsmanship. Every surface, every dial, every stitch has been designed with obsessive attention to detail. Copper, leather, carbon fiber, and polished aluminum dominate the interior. It feels like sitting inside a mechanical jewel box. Analog gauges, toggle switches, and a beautiful central console display the raw functionality of racing cars while embracing the luxury expected from a car of this caliber. The seats are wrapped in quilted leather and tailored to each customer, emphasizing the bespoke nature of the P72 ownership experience. The interior design doesn't aim to compete with digital screens or modern interfaces. It wants you to feel like you're piloting a vintage race car built with 21st century precision. Despite the classic soul, the technology underneath is state-of-the-art. The P72 sits on a carbon monocoque chassis derived from the Apollo Intensimotion, offering incredible stiffness and crash safety. Suspension tuning is fully modern, with adaptive damping, advanced aerodynamics, and cutting-edge electronics to assist but never interfere. The car feels alive under your hands. It moves with grace at low speeds and attacks corners with precision and confidence when pushed. Its steering is direct, the throttle response is sharp, and the feedback from the road is immediate and pure. Each of the 72 units being built will be a unique expression of its owner's vision. No two cars will be alike, with every detail from the paint to the interior finish customizable. This level of exclusivity elevates the P72 into a different realm. It's not about mass production or mass appeal. It's about legacy, design, and the passion of motoring distilled into one of the rarest and most desirable cars on the planet. The Tomaso has succeeded in doing something very few brands can do. They've reintroduced themselves to the world with a product that is both authentic and revolutionary. The P72 doesn't scream for attention with sharp edges or giant spoilers, and it turns admiration through elegance, balance, and sheer presence. It's a bold statement in an era that often values technology over emotion. This is a car made for those who understand the romance of driving, who value the mechanics of motion, and who believe that beauty and performance are not mutually exclusive. The 2025 Tomaso P72 is the kind of car that reminds us why we fell in love with cars in the first place.